BAP. So yeah, if you haven't watched the first video, feel free to watch it. But yeah, today we're going to keep building it, and we're going to build a dashboard interface. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So I'm already in a virtual environment, I have everything like that. So I'm just going to create a new app, and let's call it dashboard. Okay. All right. So all right, a couple things. We need urls.py. Right, from Django.urls import pass from .import views URL patterns equals something settings is, we're gonna add that part of it, so dashboard. Okay. Alright. And we need to add it to the master URL list as indicated here. We're just gonna use an empty string to indicate it's just gonna be catch all, so it's just gonna be in the native / route. Alright, perfect. So in here we're just gonna have an index view. So actually we're gonna create two models first. We're gonna create two models first to this database model. So the first one I'll be creating is called a course. So here's how we want to store the question. So each question will be stored under a course. Okay, so a course will have a name to it. Now set the max length to 255, 8 bytes. So we will, yeah, that's what we'll be doing. So have a name. Each name, we'll have a course, and under it will be a name. Yeah, that's really pretty much it, in my opinion. And then we're gonna have what we call standard. So standard is basically what for us to categorize. It's like different categories. So for example, let's say you got one question wrong, right? And you want to store it. Well, you're going to store it for the sake of study. You might want to associate to one or more standards, or you might want to associate with unit 1, or you might want to associate with 1.1, whichever standard is. So we're gonna have a short name and that we're really just going to limit it to 10. That's the maximum length we can be. And then we can have a long name. That's really just to describe the standard, and then we're going to say no is true. So it can be nothing. If it's just unit 1, it could just be unit 1. Okay. That's pretty much it. And then finally we have the actual question. So the question, I guess we'll actually have different type of question. We'll have MC question, multiple choice questions. And because I'm not sure about the choice, because I want them to be able to add choice, so add A, B, C, D, or E. Because usually it's really just A through D or A through E, but just in case, we want to be able to add more choices. So we can do this. Let's do short. Have a. So we're question need a title. And title also need, or MC question will need a title. Well, I guess it's really the question. And then we can say maybe image URL. So for example, if you're answering some question with an image to it, we can receive up to one image. No is fine. It doesn't need to have an image. That's that. That's that. Class, you can say MC choice, MC option. And basically, we're going to have an MC question. And 2 MC question. Delete. Undelete its models that cascade. That just means if we delete one of them, if we delete MC question, we're going to delete the MC options as well. And the option will have its text. And we'll have is correct. Is it going to be a Boolean? We're going to store that. Finally, we're going to have a, maybe we can just have a, I think that's all we'll be creating for now. For short answer, it will be maybe later. But that's everything we're going to have, I think. So let's go ahead and make the migration file. And then let's go and migrate. Okay, perfect. So now in here, we're gonna have a create course. Okay, which is really simple. Really simple. So here you're gonna say if request.method is post, then we'll be expecting a course name. Request.post. And then we'll just get the name of the course. And then we'll say from models import MC option, MC question, course. That's it, right? Did I create anything? Oh, standard. Right. Standard. Okay. And then in here, we want to do course dot objects dot create. Just gonna have a name. So name equals name. Dot save. Or course name. Yeah. Create should automatically save as well. So course. Yeah. That will be that. And then we actually want to do this. We want to return redirect user to. We want to redirect user to this route /course. It will be part of our dashboard really. /course. Yeah, it will be part of the dashboard. Course.id. Redirect them to whatever the ID is. Else, we would like to return render request and just want to render /create course.html. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing. Let me go do that. Okay, so all I need to do is quick copy and paste. All right, so name. Actually, course title. That's a better way to put it, right? Course title. All right. Anyway, let's run the server, and we need to associate with a route. Call it create course. Just create course. Oh, okay. From dot models, I think. What about now? Yeah, sometimes these imports are weird. It doesn't really make sense. What do you need to do? Dot just refers to the current directory, but like they're in the same, so it's really weird. All right, perfect. So we have the course title. Okay, let's try to make it a little bit more interesting. I'll add a class to it. Button primary. Create course. And just say create a course. Alright. So course. Let's just call. So I recently just it's password mode. I don't want that to happen, right? Okay. So recently just took the APUSH test. For those of you who don't know, APUSH stands for AP US History, and AP is basically a way, it's a managed by College Board. Basically, College Board is a US company that make all these standardized testing, and AP is one of the testing they provide. Basically, they give college classes to high school students, and yeah, you can complete them. It's on scale of 5, and then if you complete them, you can get qualified to college credits. But anyway, I'll just call it APUSH. Let's see if it works. Perfect. It redirects me to the right page, right course. All right. So yeah, we got enough time. Let's keep working. So let's go ahead and create another route then. Let's go to views. So then here we'll say view course, and then we'll actually say create question. And here's what we'll do. Create question is going to be /course/ID/create question. So in here we actually have a course ID we can work with. So in here we'll say if request a method. We're actually let's actually do create standard first. Create standard. So request a method equals post, and in here we can say short name is request post short. Long name is request post long. Course is course objects get. ID is course ID. And in here we're just gonna say create standard. So standard objects create. Okay. So what qualifies as standard? Oh, I have so much file open. Let me close all of them. Okay. Standard. Oh, standard we are associated with a course. What am I doing here? You know what I need to do? Course need to be associated with a user. Let me search that up really quick, actually. Foreign key user. model Django. Let's do that. Yeah, that need to be associated with a user. These, they don't, oh, see, that need to be associated with a course MC question. Yeah, I'm missing so many field. All right. All right, we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna, okay, and we're gonna copy that, and then we can say the user and some model stuff. Okay, like that. And this can be associated with a course. And that need to be associated with a course as well. I'm just going to write course. Course. Okay. Yeah. Once all of them associated with a course. I do. Do I have to? Okay. Well, it's fine. I don't have anything right now. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, that can be an issue. You know what? We're going to have to delete the database, restart. So let's delete the database because I have some data in there already. So let's delete everything and restart. There we go. All right. So that means, unfortunately, I do have to log out if I can. Run it again. Okay. Got to log out and log in. And in here, I guess I will just use this, use my email. Incorrect credentials, yes. Okay, I'm just gonna say correction at me. Correction. Alright. So we're gonna have to recreate the course. Let's recreate a push. Not no constraint failed. Oh, right. So that means we need to go here and user need to be request a user. Okay, here we go. Now we have everything. Create a course. Let's have a title. It's called a push. Perfect. Now I got the course. And we want to create, yeah, standard. Okay, so in standard, you're gonna have a course and you're gonna have a short name and have a long name. Course is course, short name is short name, long name is a long name. Perfect. All right, so I guess what I would do is I would just redirect them again. Course.id. Alright, so else return render request --dash create dash standard the HTML, except here's what I want to do. Actually, I want to globalize this course, put it outside here, so that I can provide a dictionary, and I can say course is course. Alright, so let's implement this create standard and see if this works. Okay, so create standard for course.name. Create a standard for course.name. Okay, so standard, so short description, limit to 10 characters, and we have a short. I have a long description. It's still gonna be a text field though. Long. Create standard. Okay. Create a standard. Okay, so this is gonna be called pass course slash int course ID slash create standard, and then we'll say views dot create standard. All right. Okay, perfect. Parses. See what goes in here. All right, perfect. So I guess I'm actually gonna search for it. So if you haven't know, a push. So this is actually legit a push exam description. So it does have standards. So I'm gonna try to make it as real as possible. We're gonna scroll to sample exam questions. Sample exam questions. Okay, so let me see if I can get this standard going somewhere. Oh, this is where my teacher got the DBQ from. Literally from. Okay. 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 It's a little bit harder than I thought. Okay, you know what? For the sake of simplicity, I'm just gonna say time period 1. So TP1, that just means time period 1. Time period 1. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. And time period 1 is 1491 to 1607. All right, let's create a standard. Perfect. Return us back to here. All right, sweet. So it looks like that's all the time we have for today. I guess this will be it then. So if you have any questions or comment, feel free to comment down below. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I just realized repeat myself. But yeah, stay safe and have a great rest of your day. That's me out.